Are you plotting a wet prank on your friends? Be careful! Don't fall for your own prank! Are you cooking a veggie salad? Look out for another prank! Cut the tip off a cucumber. Take out the middle and put in green slime. Put the tip back on using toothpicks. A fresh cucumber in a salad! Get your daily vitamins and a little extra! Look at all this green slime! What's this? Cucumber guts? Or slime inside a cucumber? This is definitely someone's tricky prank! Today is a big day! Redhead finally decided to introduce her boyfriend to her friends. Girls, this is Andy, and he brought his fish! What a bad time! The girls were just doing some spot treatments at home. You could have warned us, Redhead! I would have put on my fancy face mask! This couple is going on an important date today. They are preparing thoroughly. And Andy covered himself in deodorant. This is clearly an important occasion. Redhead styles her hair. Andy styles his eyebrows. Time for the final touches. Bright lips. And shiny shoes. Whoops! Way too shiny! Whose prank is this? Oh no, I'm late! Take a sponge out of a container of shoe polish. Put glitter inside. And put the sponge back. How embarrassing! But it turns out that Redhead loves glittery shoes. Whoa, Andy! Your shoes are glowing! It's a sign that we belong together! This is a sparkly match made in heaven! Andy invented a new great prank! He brought cockroaches to the girls' apartment! Cut a silhouette of a cockroach out of a cleaning sponge. Attach it to a pen cap. Now you just have to apply paint to the cockroach stamp and make a brown imprint on the blue-eyed girl's face. Congrats! You have a new tattoo! In addition to this, Andy printed out a whole family of cockroaches and a ventilation grid. Now let's hang this art piece in the bathroom. The name of this picture is The Shawshank Cockroach Redemption. Now we wait for the girls' reaction.
Oops.
Oh no! The cockroaches are attacking! Hey, wake up! Oh no! There's one on you! How dare you bother my friend, you rude bug! Jenna, stop! You are gonna beat my brains out! Ah, it's just paint, not a cockroach! Sorry, roomie, I got confused! Jenna decides to take revenge on Andy for the cockroaches. She printed out cute fish and glued them to the sink. Fish, you can live here now. Fine, I'll pour you a little water. Oh no! My fish? Why? You need to be in your fish tank. How cruel! Redhead, did you see what they did to my fish? To these fish, Andy? Here they are, swimming and having fun in their fish tank. Phew! Thank goodness! Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and Jenna knows it. That's why she took care of her roommate's breakfast. Bon appetit, roomie! Cover gelatin with milk. Let it sit. Heat it up in a microwave. Put breakfast cereal into the melted gelatin. Let the jelly harden. So this is my breakfast? Ah, it's obvious that it's a whole grain cereal and whole milk. Thanks for the compact breakfast. Hey, blue-eyed girl, this is a delicious breakfast. Oh no, the girls left a clump of hair in the sink again. It's enough to make a whole Aquaman wig. This is disgusting! I need to teach them to be tidier. Dampen soap with water and sprinkle it with chopped fake hair. Wait for the hair to stick to the soap. The soap has a new hairstyle. It looks really good. Redhead washes her hands as usual. But there's something wrong with the soap today. Ew! A hairy beast! You fell for my hairy prank, Redhead! Whoops! The blue-eyed girl loves changing looks. She has a lot of wigs and bright hair extensions in her collection. But her hair is all over the place. There are colorful strands everywhere. The house looks like a hair salon for clowns. Time to teach the blue-eyed girl how to clean. Fasten bright hair extensions to a mop. Use hot glue. Jenna decides to wash the floor with colorful hair. Hey, these are my hair extensions. It almost looks like Jenna is using her head as a mop. Jenna, stop it right now! This isn't funny! Jenna is getting ready for a date. She just has to do her eyebrows. She still has no idea that this isn't regular eyebrow gel. Take an empty eyebrow gel container. Take out the wiper. Pour in clear Elmer's glue. Put the wiper back in and put the cap on. My eyebrows look great! Hey, guys, what's going on here? A pillow fight? Poor Jenna! All the feathers stuck to her new eyebrows! Now she looks like Big Bird! The blue-eyed girl is a health nut, and she decided to chop a fruit salad on her friend's tablet! Oh no! Couldn't you find another board? Coat a scratched cutting board with black acrylic paint. Attach a printed picture of an iPad screen on top. Out of all the surfaces in the world, you choose my iPad? How could you do that? Calm down, Jenna. Here's your iPad, safe and sound. I just used it to watch a masterclass on making a fruit salad. And this is a cutting board. Don't be so paranoid. The blue-eyed girl is very busy, but Jenna is bothering her with her conversation. Just look at this. Hey, yo, blue-eyed girl, can you hear me? No, there's nothing wrong with my ear. Make an ear out of light clay. Use a modeling tool to shape it. Color the ear with acrylic paint. It's hard to listen to your friend when your ear fell off, and Jenna isn't bothering me with her chats anymore. Fine, take this. This is a gift for you. The blue-eyed girl just did some shopping. Whoops! -1 egg. But there are more surprises waiting for her. Andy decided to swap out her bottle of Coke. Attach a fishing line with a lock of fake hair to the cap of a Coca-Cola bottle. Attach a jump ring to the end of the strand. Dip the hair into the Coke and close the bottle. The blue-eyed girl is coming! Hi! The egg ran away, but I hope my bottle of Coke is fine. Here it is. I'd love to have a sip. Ew! What is this disgusting thing? It's someone's hair! Gross! Let's order pizza. This one is the best. And here's the super fast delivery guy. You owe me 20 bucks. Sorry, man. We ate all our money. We'll pay next time. Okay, don't be so surprised. Have you never eaten money before? This is made from edible paper. Here, we'll pay you with real bills. Don't worry. You're freaks! Andy constantly eats other people's food. It's like he moved into our fridge. rude and selfish. That's it. I'll teach this predator a lesson. The blue-eyed girl makes a genius device. She glues a thread to a can of silly string and ties the thread to the door of the fridge. Andy will see a carnival in the fridge. Is there food left? Oh no! What's this? The device worked! After the food thief opened the door, he got covered in silly string. Very funny! I don't feel like cleaning my room, but I can use a life hack. I'll make myself a pregnant belly out of a balloon. Oh, it really suits me. And now I'll text my friend I haven't seen for a long time and invite her to come over. Hi, I haven't seen you in ages. I'm gonna be a mom soon. Come in, come in. Oh no, I kind of feel sick. The baby is kicking. Could you please bring me some water? Thanks. And maybe you can clean while you're at it? You can't say no to a pregnant woman. There we go. This stuff goes into the closet. Good job. And don't forget to vacuum. Nice. What? What? You aren't pregnant? How awkward! Did you like our pranks? Then comment below how you'd prank your friends. Would you make a hairy mop? Invite cockroaches over? Or eat all your money? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny pranks from Troom.